I'm Victoria Duggar, WTOL 11 Digital Director. When the COVID-19 pandemic hit, answers to what was happening were really hard to come by for many people, but this was even more difficult if you happen to be a non-native English speaker. WTOL 11 made it a goal to reach as many people with the verified information on the coronavirus as possible by meeting them where they were in the language that they spoke. We're fortunate to have multilingual people on our staff, and so we set out to have a conversation with our audiences on our digital platforms. With two fluent Spanish and Arabic speakers, Roxana Elias and Zeinab.
Hola a todos, reportera Roxana Elias.
أهلا وسهلا, اسمي زينب شايب.
We started a series of Facebook conversations, Facebook Lives, to give people information and answer questions from these communities. We didn't know that providing information in languages other than English was going to be as controversial as it proved, however. Though our initial efforts were met with praise from the intended audiences, we found that racist and ignorant trolls flooded the comment sections with messages like, "Speak English, this is America," and "Too bad Trump didn't get the immigrants back to their own country before the virus hit," and "Learn English or leave." Those are actual comments. We knew we didn't want the message to get lost in the mess, so I outlined a new strategy. We decided to start out with a Facebook Live in English that explains the news of the day and prepares our Facebook audiences that they're going to hear the same information coming up in two Facebook Lives in Spanish and then Arabic. I also enlisted the help of other team members to serve as our troll patrol to either explain what was happening to the confused, provide them links to the information in English, or boot them if they were persistently abusive. With this plan in place, we've successfully broken down the key elements of COVID-19 coverage for our diverse and multilingual audiences.
Hi, I'm Jensen Strock. I do the English portion of our coronavirus updates. So in a nutshell, here's what I do every day. I watch the state, local, national COVID-19 briefings, and I get articles set for our website. From there, I pull what I think are the key points and put together a list of bullet points to present to the team. We discuss, see if anything's missing, if there's anything that would be more relevant to the other communities in our area. And then I go live at 7 p.m. each night. I present my information, I answer questions from viewers as we go, and I remind them that after my Facebook Live, there will be two more with the same information translated into both Spanish and Arabic, so they're not surprised when that pops up, and they can share it with people they know who might need it. And then I pass it off to Roxanne and Zeinab.
Cuando todo empezó, que el coronavirus estaba creciendo, nosotros como periodistas sabíamos que era nuestra responsabilidad informar la más gente posible de la comunidad de toda la información que estaba saliendo. El gobernador de Ohio, Governor Mike DeWine, y los líderes de aquí de la ciudad estaban sacando bastante información nueva todos los días.
بس وقت انتشرت الكورونا فيروس الحاكم مايك دوين قال إنه ساعد كل الناس حتى الناس ما بيحكوش إنجليزي. فالWTOL أخذت هالفرصة ليساعد الناس وأنا ترجمت بالعربي. هلا المدير باليونيفرسيتي توليدو ميدل إيسترن ستاديز قال إنه في فوق 15,000 أشخاص عرب عايشين هون بتوليدو وحول توليدو كمان. وأكيد ب 2013 بدناش ننسى توليدو استقبلت فوق 300 عائلة سوريين لاجئين. هول عيال أكيد ما بيعرفوا إنجليزي كتير منيح.
Especially with this project, what made it so unique was being able to serve an underserved community in such a different way than what we see. And I think for news directors, during this time saying to someone that you're going to go take two really great journalists off the streets and you're going to commit them to serving these portions of our community is a lot to ask, but it was really a no-brainer, knowing that we had two people on staff who could do this and execute it so well, and at the end of the day, give information that is life-saving to people in need that are not getting it, was just an amazing thing to pull off as a team, and I'm so proud of this, and I'm proud with the fact that not only did we pull it off, but I think we represented for a community that needed us at that time, and there's nothing better than being able to say that as a news organization.